Hi, my name is Sameer Sharma. I'm the director of Love Shafti Chicken Khorana and you're watching indiaglitz.com. एक घर के बारे में कहानी है and it's about love as it is as our family stories and it's narrated in a way जहाँ पे खाने की अहमियत है, घर की अहमियत है. It's a homecoming. It's also it's what you feel when you go home, you know. एंड आप दुनिया भर से लोग अलग अलग जगहों से घर छोड़कर बाहर जाते हैं काम करने और जब वो लौट के आते हैं तो उनको मतलब सबसे अच्छा तो मम्मी का खाना ही अच्छा लगता है ना. सो दैट इज़ इट्स बेसिकली अबाउट दैट इज़ द एसेंशियल एस्पेक्ट ऑफ what it is, and the story is about love. It's actually Chicken Khurana is something that my writer and I thought of, and we came up with this recipe. We wanted to make the story of a recipe because जैसे आप घर के बारे में बता रहे हो तो there's something that has to engage the audience, and the search of this recipe became our method of how we can tell the story. Anurag and I have been friends for a very long time because I used to write. I've written a couple of films, and he had always been. I'm inherently a very lazy person, so he always used to say that you should direct, and that is how I decided to. Finally, we found a story that I really passionately wanted to make, and so it was. He had always said that तेरी film तो मैं ही बनाऊंगा. That was the whole point, and he always believed in my ability as a director. Kunal is a really close friend. So Kunal was also a part of the story, and I always believed in his abilities. I thought he has a lot of potential as an actor. He's a great looker. He has presence, and he's a very intelligent person. He's somebody I really wanted to interact, collaborate with. So that's what I felt was the Huma became a friend, and then I saw parts of Wasipur, and I was completely blown by what I saw. So that is how we all and she वो दिल्ली की रहने वाली है तो उसमें एक इनहेरेंट पंजाबियत है और एक ईज़ है. और मुझे ये भी लगा आई वांटेड टू समवेयर जैसे एक देवानंद नूतन कॉम्बिनेशन होता था ना, तो आई हैड दैट फीलिंग दैट समवेयर आई वांट देम टू लुक लाइक सो दे फॉर सम रीज़न कुणाल एंड हुमा रिमाइंडेड मी ऑफ दैट लाइक तेरे घर के सामने और वो जो एक चार्म होता था. And somewhere that is how I've used them because it was also a love story. So I wanted a couple that has, and I knew that they'll create a lot of chemistry, and there'll be a lot of they'll interact with each other really well. No, there's an actor called Sameer Sharma. So I'm not that Sameer Sharma. In fact we met up recently, and people keep confusing us for he used to get calls from production houses to write. I've got calls to act. So he's another Sameer Sharma. See, I've always been a part of. I've worked on Swades. I worked on Bhoot. And worked on Khoya Khoya Chand. I worked on Raincoat. I had assisted in DDLJ and Dil To Pagal Hai. So I knew how the business works. It's just that I inherently was not finding something that I would like to direct myself, which I did finally. And that was the so any film is difficult. It's not just a debut film. Any film is difficult. It's difficult to write. It's difficult to put it across. There's so many factors. So but it's if you're with the right people, then it just becomes really interesting, and it's it kind of has that it falls into place. So there was my writer, there was Anurag, there was Kunal, Huma, there's Amit Trivedi, Shaili. The songwriter, so Mitesh, my cameraman. So I found Ziba, my costume designer. So they're all a group of friends who came together to make a film. And we went to Punjab for 2 months, and we had a great time. It was like being on a vacation, actually. I think he's by far the best producer I could have asked for, in terms of in a sense that he really understands you as an individual. He understands what you want to make. Because there are lots of creative producers who are filmmakers themselves who want to make films that they want to see or that they have thought of. But if Vikramaditya Motwani is making Udaan, it's something that he's thought of. Or if Bijoy is making Shaitan, it's something that he's thought of. So he's just enabling that director's vision. Because I don't think there's any other producer who would have made Udaan You know, there are so many. You know, so it's a very, and he also understands the aspect of writing. You know, he's a great collaborator. You know, so all of that is really. I had a great cast, and I had a great time. I was the most troublesome on set.